Welcome back, future Azure professionals. Today, we're opening the door to Microsoft's cloud world by exploring the best entry-level certification, the Azure Fundamentals, or AZ-900. Whether you're just starting your cloud journey or looking to add Azure to your skill set, this is the smartest first step toward mastering Microsoft cloud technologies. The AZ-900 certification isn't just an exam, it's your official introduction to the cloud. It validates your understanding of essential cloud concepts, Azure services, security, privacy, pricing, and support. This certification is perfect for both technical and non-technical professionals, making it accessible to everyone. Think of AZ-900 as your cloud literacy certificate, proving you speak the language of modern technology and understand how cloud computing transforms businesses. Let's dive in and build your Azure foundation together. The AZ-900 is the perfect starting point for anyone interested in cloud computing. It's designed for a wide audience: developers, administrators, architects, sales, marketing, management, students, career changers, and IT professionals moving from on-premises to cloud. There are no prerequisites, no prior Azure experience or technical background is needed, making it ideal for absolute beginners and those exploring new career paths. By earning this certification, you'll gain a solid understanding of cloud computing concepts, Azure services, security, compliance, pricing, and support. The AZ-900 builds confidence, opens career doors, and lays the foundation for more advanced, role-based certifications. In today's world, cloud knowledge is an essential skill recognized by employers everywhere. This is your chance to start strong and set yourself up for future growth in the tech industry. Let's break down the AZ-900 exam so you know exactly what to expect. The exam code is AZ-900, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals. You'll have 85 minutes to answer 40 to 60 multiple-choice questions, and the passing score is 700 out of 1,000, or about 70%. The exam costs $99 USD, but you can often find free vouchers through Microsoft events. The skills measured include describing cloud concepts, Azure architecture and services, and Azure management and governance. You'll encounter different question types: single and multiple choice, true, false, and scenario-based questions. Key focus areas include cloud service models like IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS, deployment models such as public, private, and hybrid cloud, core Azure services, and understanding Azure pricing, SLAs, and resource lifecycles. Knowing these details helps you prepare with confidence and focus your study efforts. A structured study plan is key to passing the AZ-900 exam. Here's a proven 4-week roadmap. In Week 1, focus on cloud computing basics, service models, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, deployment models, and the benefits of cloud like scalability and cost efficiency. Week 2 dives into Azure's core services: compute, networking, storage, and databases. Week 3 covers management tools, governance features, security concepts, and monitoring services. In Week 4, concentrate on practice exams, reviewing weak areas, and building exam strategies. Remember, many organizations offer free exam vouchers. Check out Microsoft Virtual Training Days for opportunities. Stick to a daily schedule, use Microsoft Learn modules, and reinforce your knowledge with hands-on practice. This approach helps you build confidence and ensures you're ready for exam day. To succeed in AZ-900, you must master core cloud concepts. Start with the 3 main service models: Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, where you manage the operating system, apps, and data; Platform as a Service, PaaS, where you manage only apps and data; and Software as a Service, SaaS, where you simply use the software provided. Next, understand deployment models: public cloud, services over the internet; private cloud, dedicated to one organization; and hybrid cloud, a mix of both. Key Azure concepts include regions and availability zones for high availability, resource groups for organizing resources, subscriptions for billing and access, and management groups for organizing multiple subscriptions. Mastering these basics gives you the foundation to understand how Azure works and how businesses use the cloud. Understanding Azure's core services is crucial for the AZ-900 exam. Compute services include virtual machines for IaaS, app services for web hosting, Azure Kubernetes Service for container orchestration, and Azure Functions for serverless computing. Networking services like Virtual Network, Load Balancer, VPN Gateway, and Content Delivery Network provide connectivity and performance. Storage options include blob, disk, file, and archive storage, each serving different data needs. For databases, Azure offers Cosmos DB for NoSQL, SQL Database for relational data, and managed MySQL, PostgreSQL. Identity and access are managed through Azure Active Directory, multi-factor authentication, and role-based access control. Knowing these services and their use cases will help you answer scenario-based questions and understand how Azure supports real-world business needs. There are plenty of free resources to help you prepare for AZ-900. Microsoft Learn offers interactive learning paths, and you can get hands-on experience with a free Azure account that includes $200 in credits and always free services. Attend Microsoft Virtual Training Days for free exam vouchers. Follow a recommended learning path. Complete the Microsoft Learn AZ-900 modules. Create and explore your Azure portal, take practice tests, and watch free instructor-led courses on YouTube. Join study groups and communities like Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors, Azure Discord servers, and LinkedIn groups for support. On exam day, manage your time wisely. Read each question carefully, and use the whiteboard feature for notes. After the exam, celebrate your achievement and plan your next steps in your Azure journey. Passing AZ-900 is just the beginning of your Azure journey. Next, consider certifications like AZ-104 for Azure Administrator, AZ-204 for Developer, AZ-305 for Solutions Architect, or SC-900 for Security and Compliance. These open doors to roles such as Azure Administrator, Developer, Solutions Architect, and Cloud Consultant. Immediately after passing, update your credentials on LinkedIn and your resume. Join Azure user groups, and look for opportunities to apply your new skills. Certified professionals often see a 25% salary increase and enjoy high demand across industries. Remember, continuous learning is key. Azure is always evolving, and your journey can take you anywhere in the cloud world. Start strong, keep learning, and let your cloud career soar.
Subscribe to Knowledge Hub, like this video, and tap the bell so you never miss what's next.